Ever pondered how the human factor plays a pivotal role in the triumph of a computerized maintenance management system? Well, it's time to shed some light on this intriguing aspect. The human element is the cornerstone of CMMS success. It's not just about the software, folks. It's about the longevity of the system, the loyalty of customers, and the continuous enhancement of the solution that truly counts. Sales representatives play a crucial role here. They need to comprehend the distinct needs of each customer, tailor solutions accordingly, and ensure that the CMMS platform is a glove-like fit for their business processes. But the story doesn't end here. The availability of training options is of paramount importance too. It empowers users, enabling them to extract maximum value from the system, and in turn, drive operational efficiency. So, in essence, the human factor is the driving force behind a successful CMMS, making it much more than just a software solution. Let's explore a real-life scenario of how important the human factor is in the successful implementation of computerized maintenance management systems. Think of a scenario where the CMMS is designed with a focus on user-friendliness and scalability. This is a model example of how a CMMS should be approached. Such an approach requires meticulous planning, unparalleled customer service, and effective communication. It involves showing determination in the face of challenges and discipline in how to use the CMMS correctly and to its full potential. But the story doesn't end there. Let's highlight the importance of preparation. Being ready for any situation is pivotal to successfully implementing a CMMS. An additional key aspect of this approach is an emphasis on preventive maintenance. The old adage, "Prevention is better than cure," holds true in this context, anticipating and mitigating problems beforehand. Focusing diligently on the human element is a shining example of how to effectively implement a successful CMMS. This scenario proves that the secret to a successful CMMS isn't just about having the best technology, but also about understanding and catering to the needs of the people who use it. In essence, the human factor is what truly propels a CMMS beyond the realms of mere software to become a potent tool for success. This transformation is fueled by commitment, discipline, and unwavering determination. It revolves around customer requirements, delivering superior service, and ensuring the correct usage and readiness of the system. It also involves the task of minimizing breakdowns through timely preventive maintenance and consistent follow-through. Keep in mind, the efficacy of a CMMS lies squarely in the hands of its human operators. So there you have it. We hope you this video insightful. Don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more enlightening content. We appreciate your viewership.